Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice? This has to be one of the most common questions I get. And I have a bonus tip, so make sure that you watch the entire video. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build income online. New videos go up every week, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that a new video goes live. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you could use a software called Doodle Maker to make money on YouTube. A lot of people starting out on YouTube are a little bit camera shy, and also they don't really want to use their voice in their videos. And then they are concerned that if they use something like a doodle software or text-to-speech, that YouTube won't monetize their channel. First off, YouTube could do whatever they want. It's their platform. We are just guests. But if you focus on driving viewers to affiliate offers, you can make a commission on any sales you make. If you're unsure of what kind of videos to make to get sales, consider looking into product reviews. Find a product that fits into your niche and create an honest review. There are all kinds of products, from courses, digital products, marketing tools, and even products on Amazon. Almost every product has an affiliate program. Tell them what you liked about the product and what you didn't like about it. You know, pros and cons. Do not lie to get a sale. Like, I'm talking about Doodle Maker because I actually like this software. It's super newbie friendly, easy to create slides, and has text-to-speech built in. If you want to see my full review of Doodle Maker, you can check it out right here or the link in my description. So here's an easy way to monetize a video, even if you're not monetized through YouTube. Add in a link. You want to make sure that it's within the first few lines of your description. And the reason why is because see how this says show more? Before I click show more, it still shows the link because only a percentage of people are going to click show more and look at the rest of your description. Another great place to drop a link is in your pinned comment. Just take your link, drop it in there, and then these three dots, click it, and you'll be able to pin the comment right there. You can see I have the link within the first 3 lines, so once I upload this, it will show up before anybody has to expand the description. I also have a pinned comment created that I'll put in, pin the comment once the video goes live. This is one of the softwares that I use for my SEO. It's called Morning Fame. I highly recommend it. If you want to give it a try, there's a link to a free trial in my description. Make sure in your video that you have a call to action to buy the product from the link in your description or your pinned comment. You know, something like this. If you want to give Doodle Maker a try, you can pick it up for the link in the description. Super easy. Just do it in Doodle Maker. Now, I promised a bonus tip, and that's to not stop with one video. You can make a review of a product, but maybe do a tutorial as well, or even a versus video. What competitors does your product have? See what questions people have about the product you're promoting, and then make videos answering those questions. This adds more buy buttons on your YouTube channel. More chances for people to find your content and your reviews. Doodle Maker is perfect for making this type of content. What's your favorite tool to make money online without showing your face? Let us know in the comments. If you got value out of this video, make sure to check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.